a few minutes, we are going to see all our beautiful Mrs. Category contestants lining up on stage in our prop round for tonight. How excited are you all for that? I need to hear some hooting from the crowd. Woo, that's amazing. They all are ready.
Please be generous with your applause because all the contestants have worked really hard. So give it up once again for Mrs. Universe USA 2026.
Woo! All right, may I ask, are the judges ready? Awesome. Are the audience ready? Nice. Contestants, are you ready? Woo! All right, let's begin. Just mesmerizing, doesn't it, Meeta, ma'am?
Yes, of course. You can see all the hard work, dedication, and creativity. So give it up for all the contestants.
Woo! They're looking gorgeous as ever. All right, so ladies, are you ready to rock and roll? So let's begin by introducing our contestant number 1, Deepthi Reddy, Mrs. Ohio Worldwide Popular Winner and Mrs. Bharat Ohio First Runner-Up, an entrepreneur and fitness enthusiast. While living in America, her heart remains rooted in India's soil, representing Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, the pillars of her nation, the soldiers who are a shield of steel and sacrificed by our land and our very roots. Both driven by unwavering duty, sacrificing comfort for a greater good. Today, we celebrate their strength, their spirit, and their silent courage. Give it up for contestant number 1, Deepthi Reddy.
Contestant number 2, Lavanya. Representing the historic city of Warangal, the heart of Telangana, she carries the spirit of the Kakatiya, a dynasty of wisdom and bravery. The Kakatiya Toranam rises tall, a symbol of resilience and timeless heritage. Lotuses bloom with purity and grace, while peacocks unfurl in pride and beauty. Tonight she carries not just a prop, but the very soul of Telangana, where tradition meets courage and every step honors a land of legacy and valor. Give it up for Lavanya.
welcome contestant number 3, Raghaviraj Govinder, winner of Mrs. California Universe 2025, a passionate dancer and photographer and dedicated volunteer with Music for Minors, where she teaches music to the children. Her costume, featuring belly dance wings attached with the USA flag, celebrates the rhythm of life, the freedom to dream, and the pride of representing her nation with every step she takes. And that is our gorgeous contestant number 3, Raghaviraj Govinder.
Contestant number 4, Shana Kassler, Mrs. Florida Universe, a personal injury attorney and former prosecutor who advocates in court for victims who have been hurt and silenced, a wife to a doctor, mother of 5 in a blended family, and a proud Florida native. She dedicates her voice and her platform to empowering women to rise after hardship and reclaim their power. Tonight, she soars as Florida's iconic flamingo, graceful, resilient, and bold in bright pink wings and a rhinestone bodysuit, honoring the spirit of the Sunshine State. Give it up for Shana.
Let's welcome contestant number 5, Soumya Bocha, a certified domestic violence advocate, entrepreneur, PolyX instructor, and UI designer. She's an artist, adrenaline junkie, animal lover. She is the founder of Vastram by Soumya, a fashion label that blends compassion with creativity. Her costume beautifully blends the essence of Illinois and Telangana. Violet honors Illinois state flower and domestic violence awareness, while Pochampalli patterns and Badukama, a famous Telangana festival, motifs celebrate her cultural roots, telling a powerful story of identity and resilience. That is our contestant number 5, Soumya Bocha.
Contestant number 6, Anisha Ankush, an engineer by profession working for a subsidiary of Toyota Industries. She is talented dancer and a passionate model, winner of Mrs. Georgia Universe 2026, graceful as a peacock. She shines with beauty, confidence, and the courage that defines true elegance. Give it up for Anisha Ankush.
All right, let's put your hands together for contestant number 7, Ashwini Sambaskar, winner of Mrs. Bharat World and Mrs. Illinois Universe, an engineer who is pursuing modeling professionally with a keen interest in dancing, singing, and painting. She volunteers in the Wings program, which helps women suffering from domestic violence. Working today with a goodie symbolizing new beginnings, she carries hope, prosperity, and the triumph of good over evil. In vibrant colors of her Indian heritage, she honors Illinois with the state's flower violet and state's insect the butterfly. The union of tradition and pride reflects her commitment to unity, beauty, and strength. Sharing a heartfelt message to create safe homes, break the cycle of violence, and raise awareness about domestic violence. That is our contestant number 7, Ashwini Sambaskar.
House music.
have contestant number 8, Akriti Srivastav, a devoted mother of 2, wife, HR professional, and influencer who actively works with laws, a domestic violence service center supporting survivors in reclaiming their lives. She proudly represents Virginia through its state bird, the cardinal. Her costume dazzles with vibrant red feathers, elegant wings, delicate purple ribbons woven into the feathers, and a majestic crown symbolizing strength, courage, and resilience, carrying a bold message to stop domestic violence. Give it up for Akriti Srivastav.
Let's welcome contestant number 9, Rashmi Devangan. Presenting Queen of India with a purpose, embodying India's unity and diversity, she represents all 28 states and 8 union territories through their traditional jewelry. She aims to carry forward India's legacy of resilience, wisdom, and compassion. Like the queens who fought for their country and sacrificed for their people, her purpose is mental health awareness. A true queen is defined by the hope she gives, not the crown she wears. She stands here to represent every unheard voice with a clear message. Be present, speak up, check in. Let's break the stigma. Mental health matters.
Contestant number 10, Sania Haq, a software engineer by profession with a love for travel and the creativity of nail art. She chose love beyond boundaries through an interfaith marriage, breaking stereotypes and showing that harmony and acceptance can win over prejudice. From a small town with big dreams, she stands here as a proud feminist and an advocate of equality. She proudly wears the anarkali, a timeless symbol of India's rich heritage, elegance, and tradition. Give it up for Sania.
House music.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 11, Hetal Modi. Mrs. Bharat, Texas, 2024. A chartered accountant from India and a proud mother of 2. A passionate fitness enthusiast who is dedicated to promoting a healthy and empowered lifestyle. She lives by the shloka, Vidya Dadati Vinayam, embodying the principle that true worthiness comes from humility and knowledge. Today, she is representing Ganga, the sacred river. Much like the river which flows from the Himalayas and nourishes the land, she strives to be a source of life, purity, and strength for all those around her. Let's give it up for contestant number 11, Hetal Modi.
Our contestant number 12, Nicole Cornette. Mrs. New York Universe, an international professional fashion model and beauty queen. She loves animals and helping others by volunteering with children and underprivileged families. She is the co-founder and co-host of the Trauma Behind the Glamour podcast and the Trauma Talks talk show. Today, she showcases her own interpretation of the Statue of Liberty, a universal symbol of freedom, democracy, and hope. A welcoming beacon for immigrants from all over the world. The torch symbolizing liberty, strength, and enlightenment. The crown symbolizing power of solidarity, women's rights, and empowerment. And the wings symbolizing peace, freedom, and purity of embarking on a new and better life in a new country, the United States of America. Give it up for Nicole.
Next, let's welcome contestant number 13, Subhashini Vajrala. Mother of 2 girls and a teacher in preschool with a passion to help kids in need, and is a board member for a non-profit homeless children organization in India. She brings Ma Durga through the strength she shows in the face of adversity. Like her 10 arms, she strives for balance, multiple roles, brings compassion to others, stands up against injustice and protects what's right. Ma Durga for her is a symbol of courage, love and divine feminine power. That's our contestant number 13, Subhashini Vajrala.
Contestant number 14, Pia Pawar. Mrs. Bharat USA 2025, a digital marketing specialist, a versatile dancer, a passionate singer, and a fitness and makeup enthusiast. She represents Goddess Ganga, embodying Ganga's purity, while the flowing blue frill and mirrored lehenga shimmer like sunlight on the sacred waters. She carries a sacred water pot symbolizing purity, rebirth, and blessings, while the hand-painted backside shows the Himalayas with Shiva's Trishul. She embodies self-love and authenticity and teaches you to embrace who you are, to overcome obstacles and shine. Give it up for Pia Pawar.
Let's welcome contestant number 15, Pooja Soni. A tech professional by day, a yogi at heart, she balances mind, body, and ambition. Carrying the essence of the Himalayas, she steps forward with poise, power, and unwavering pride. She walks the stage not just to shine, but to inspire every dreamer watching, to remind every woman of her strength, and to show that dreams have no limits. Tonight, she proudly represents the grace, elegance of a contemporary bride from Himachal, celebrating her culture while inspiring the world. That is our contestant number 15, Pooja Soni.
Judges, next we have contestant number 42, Pallavi Paul. Judges, this is contestant number 42, Pallavi Paul. Rooted in strength, rising in grace, an IT professional and public speaker, inspiring change like India's national flower, the lotus, ready to bloom everywhere around the world. A voice of empowerment dedicated to uplifting and empowering others, blooming and shining in the USA. Art in motion, a passionate dancer, carrying the spirit of the lotus and mother of 2 beautiful kids. From the depths of challenges, she rises like a lotus, pure, powerful, and unshakable. Give it up for Pallavi Paul.
contestant number 45, Pallavi Banerjee. For the judges, please make a note. This is contestant number 45, Pallavi Banerjee. Mrs. Bharat, New Jersey 2025, Beauty with Purpose, working towards the cause of women and child education. A computer engineer with an MBA from New York University, Stern School of Business, working now as a senior tech lead. Mother of 2 boys who is passionate about traveling, painting, music, and dance. Her costume today is inspired by the national birds of India and US. The beautiful peacock and the soaring bald eagle, symbolizing her rich Indian heritage and her journey as a US citizen. And that was our final contestant, number 45, Pallavi Banerjee from the Mrs. category for Mrs. Universe USA 2026. Please give them. All right. Please give them a big round of applause as they exit the stage.